Priority setting is a bit of a sticky problem in Future Fit Business Benchmark, or more importantly, in the users of our framework. And the issue is this: not everything is equally important. And so we need a way to help organizations prioritize which elements of Future Fit Business Benchmark are critical for them, and that may be different than the priorities of what's critical for society or for their broader stakeholders. So let's talk about priority for a second. Priority is trying to help us understand the relative importance of any of the 21 goals. So let's take a simple example for a second. Think of the dashboard of your car. If you're driving along and the oil light shows up, or the service engine light shows up, what should you do? Well, if you're going to the office and those lights show up, maybe you pull over and call the mechanic and they drag it off to the dealership. And at the dealership, they do some detailed diagnostics to find what's going on. So those indicators are hugely useful for you to make sure that you make the right decision towards that future valuation of the car. Don't drive it without any oil, because the engine will seize and that'll be expensive. But what if we had a different strategy? What if, on the other hand, we're going to the hospital in an emergency and the check oil light or the engine light goes on? What should you now do? Well, obviously, you should keep going. In other words, the strategy tells us how to interpret the data. As we serve up Future Fit Business Benchmark data to our customers, they will interpret it in a different way based on their strategies. Now, on occasion, they might need to set it up and look at it based on society's priorities. But moment to moment, they may have different priorities, and we need to make sure our scorecard captures those, so as they make decisions moment to moment, they understand whether they're making it for internal priority reasons or external societal reasons. That's a story about priority.